Oh, hi guys. This is Marshall Studios Forever here. Marshall Studios Forever is taping you from a live audience today. Tonight's video, I will be running my Hoover Soft and Light Soft Bag Upright Vacuum Cleaner from 2000. I think this machine came out in the early 2000s because this was a 2000s Hoover Soft and Light. And also this is a really good vacuum cleaner to use. And for first of all, this is the vacuum cleaner. It was made from Maytag, and for first of all, they made really good deals out of them, and Maytag did a fantastic job with the Hoovers because during in the 1990s and the early 2000s were mostly been my favorite times. I really loved, and all these vacuum cleaners are my favorite years to get because I can collect some was very old from the past, are the older Hoover vacuums. And also the reason why I have to remove the hose and I have to put it on the Eureka the Boss Plus, and first of all, the hose stack right there, it has to be kind of removed, and I was thinking about taking it apart and take the hose rack out of there, take the rack out of there inside the vacuum cleaner. And I kind of grew up with this vacuum cleaner since when I was a kid, and during in the 2000s, they were not that loud at all, and they had a lot of vacuum cleaners inside of Old Paris Flea Market. They had a vacuum store in there, and they had a lot of them in like the vintage Hoovers, and they had a lot of Hoovers and Bissells in Eureka, and I kind of grew up with them. I was really obsessed with them, and these machines are a maze to me, and they're very cheap to buy at a thrift store. And I mostly do get my vacuum cleaners from the thrift store, yard sales, pawn shops, mostly OfferUp, eBay, Craigslist. And I mostly get my vintage older Hoover vacuums and Bissells from the thrift stores only and a yard sale only. I will mostly get some older vacuum cleaners at the thrift store because this is where I get all my vacuum cleaners at. And for first of all, instead of me talking, it's my birthday. First of all, I'm going to run the machine and see. And for first of all, you guys, this one's kind of naturally loud, but it's not too bad at all. And first of all, I'm going to turn on the switch in 3, 2, 1, go. Well, well guys, click thumbs up, hit subscribe to my channel, click down below what you like to see, and first of all, this was my early 2000s Hoover Soften Light. Also, this is a very old vacuum, and I bought this at Goodwill back in 2021. I paid about $30 to buy it, and I used to own a Eureka the Boss, the one from 1999. That one just got worn out. And the other vacuum I used to have in my collection was the green Eureka Powerline. And the motor just got messed up during end times. And first of all, you remember I used to own a Eureka Powerline. That green one I was been telling you about, you guys. I used to have one in a hard box. It was made in 1996, and that machine was hardly used and kind of beat up, and the motor was really, really loud. And the fan blade just broke. The fan blade was screwed up, and I had to end up throwing that away 2 years ago, and it was back in 2022 in February, and first of all, yeah, I will always have that vacuum cleaner in my collection no matter what. And first of all, I will find another one. Might end up getting a green one in my collection very soon. And first of all, I will still find more vacuum cleaners to find in my collection. I will still find the Hoover Decade 800 upright vacuum, and first of all, I gotta say to you guys, I'm here to let you know in advance, I will be doing a video tomorrow as well too, and tonight I will be doing YouTube shorts still, and please make sure you subscribe and click thumbs up and click down below what you like to see. And first of all, I'm doing fantastic. I'm doing great. I'm gonna get the videos back to uploading still, and I will be uploading another video tonight as well too. And first of all, I actually love this vacuum so much, and I was been using it since when I was about 23 years old. That Hoover Soften Light, I bought that one in very late in 2021 at the Goodwill. And this thing is very powerful. It's brand new. It sounds fantastic during the times. And also, make sure you click thumbs up and hit subscribe. And click down below what you like to see. See you in the next video. Bye.